What up, Snap, Facebook, YouTube? This your boy G-MOE. Finna get ready to slap this motor in this SS Monte Carlo. Doing a LS swap. As you see, I done painted all this. Sprayed it. I sprayed it last night. Did a pretty good job. Sprayed it. Customer gonna like that. This the 5.3 I crunk up the other night also. Stage 2 cam. That's it. See a little woo holding it down. We finna get ready to slap it in there. I get back at y'all at a later time. But yeah, he gonna like that. Hey man, this is the LS swap. This my first LS swap I did. I'm finna do my first test drive or whatever. Got my boy holding the camera. You on that side, I'm finna go down the road.
You ready, guys? You ready? I know you ready.
All right, there go my boy right there. Bling asked me, do he got to get in the car and pat the accelerator? Bling, you do the honors. You do the honor. My first LS swap. What it gonna do? You hear it, though? You hear it? Let it out, Bling. Let it out. You hear it? Listen to it. It ain't running hot. That motherfucker talking about calling my phone, talking about I need a tune. Tune what? Shit. Motherfucker say I got low oil pressure. That's what they saying. I got low oil pressure. Ain't no motherfucking low oil pressure over here. Nigga! It's a normal drive going to the service station. It's a normal drive, I ain't dogging nothing or whatever. How much time I got to tick out? Go ahead. All right. Now I'm downshifting now. How much time I got? Nah, let's keep on. It's a normal drive, fella. Oh yeah, it's low in gas, so we're gonna try to make it to the service station. G-MOE Automotive the business.
What am I saying?
Yeah. A motherfucking gap, nigga! A motherfucking gap! Gap!